Hi, my name is Manuel, and I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do. I mean, I've already done some rooms, but I'm gonna show you the whole house. I gotta do. So let's go look at it. It's a wood floor, so we gotta do all this room right here. It's gonna be wood. All this area, this in here. It's got carpet in there right now, but gotta do the stairs. All this area right here. The stairs. Kitchen. Gotta tear all that out. All this area right here. In here. I've already done this room. Did that one yesterday. So let's go look at it. This room. Here. And I already did most of upstairs. I gotta do these stairs too. All these stairs over here. This is what I'm working right now. Yes, with that closet. Stairs. All these stairs right here. Did this one already. Gotta do all this in here. I still gotta do the closet in there. And that little wall right there. So get this out of the room. Gotta do something right there. So that little step I gotta do. Alright, I'll show you this when it's done. Alright, see you later. Bye.